mean, shorty, I'ma tell you like this. I know you're used to messing with them ordinary guys, but the way I'm getting money, I can introduce you to a lifestyle you're gonna love forever. It's Double MG.
I wanna buy your love. Tell me what it's gonna be. I wanna buy your love. Everything is on me. Lifestyle of the rich and the famous. Don't you wanna be rich and be famous? Lifestyle of the rich and the famous. Don't you wanna be rich and be famous?
Riding through my city with a chick I used to lust. About to make a movie starring me, the two of us. Pounds at the top floor, elevator shooters up, so I can eat that pussy for breakfast, dinner, and lunch. And she been waiting all night for this hard pipe. I think she called twice. Before you know it, I pulled in, she seen the fog lights. And I could see it in the face, she had her all night. Up and down that pole, selling dreams, selling love. It was sorta like she serving fiends and selling drugs, giving them a fix, body solid as a brick, with no baking soda on it. I went raw every time I hit. Life's a bitch, but I go deep up in that pussy, Jerry Rice. And every time I'm in the building, I ain't never light. She be on that boat, trying to chase her goals, going up and down like that angel on that rose. Lord knows.
Your love. Tell me what it's gonna be. I wanna buy your love. Everything is on me. Lifestyle of the rich and the famous. Don't you wanna be rich and be famous? Lifestyle of the rich and the famous. Don't you wanna be rich and be famous?
Yeah, shorty so pretty, and that pussy so good. She used to say I was crazy, I was up to no good, till I slid all in it, started fucking her good. Red bottom her down, then had a crush in the hood. I slid up in the ass and she heard them pipe, they was growling. Friends wanting to fuck me because they like how I'm styling, but I'm cool on the snake and because I like when she smiling. We gon' lay in the air just to get right on the island. We ball harder and ball harbor out in Florida. Isabel Marant sneakers, you got order. Tatted up passports just to cross border. She calling me daddy and I ain't got a daughter. Said I'm cooler than them other dudes. 5 racks just to get a Cinderella shoes. Hella Jews, money coming, different revenues. Big paper, your money smaller than that Kevin
Love. Tell me what it's gonna be. I wanna buy your love.